Welcome to another episode of Technica Media. In this video, we will take you to SM Aura premiere in Bonifacio Global City. But before we go there, please subscribe to our channel to learn more about the Philippines and like this video as well. If you want to watch our video about BGC, please click the link above. The video starts now. SM Aura Premier is the upscale shopping mall of SM Prime Holdings. Located at 26th Street, corner Mckinley, Parkway, and C5, it has 250,000 square meters of retail space with over 300 stores, which includes Bershka, Stradivarius, Uniqlo, Forever 21, Topman, and Topshop, just to name a few well-known international brands. To satisfy your food cravings, the mall offers a lot of choices for restaurants, like the new by Vikings, Ramen Nagi, Paul, Mesa, and many more. SM Aura Premier opened its door on May 17, 2013. It is the 13th super mall in Manila and the 47th mall in the Philippines by SM Prime. The mall also features a sky park with alfresco dining and restaurants, which can easily be accessed from the street by using a series of stairs and escalators on the Mckinley Parkway side of the building. The Sky Park features gardens and sculptures where mall-goers can enjoy the view of BGC and the open space in the middle of the city. If you are into movies, SM Aura has 5 cinemas. 2 are digital, 2 are Directors Club, and 1 IMAX theater. If you want to watch our video about modern Philippines, click on the link above. The mall also features a 1,000-seat performance hall named Samsung Hall and a 250-seat chapel up top dedicated to Saint Pedro Calungsod. If you want to watch our video about Makati City, click on the link above. During the mall's inauguration and blessing, a day before its grand opening, celebrities and government officials were invited to grace the occasion, including Hollywood star Sarah Jessica Parker of Sex and the City. She also cut the ribbon for the SM store. On the southern end of the mall is a 29-story office tower. It has a leasable area of 40,000 square meters. Aside from private offices, it also houses government offices such as Social Security System, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig Fund, and the Philippine Postal Corporation. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel if you want to see more.